So today I'm here to share with you guys the Eufy HomeVac H11 cordless handheld vacuum. This is what you guys are looking at right now. And guys, I'm going to give you guys a demo of how this works and how powerful it is here in just a few seconds, so stay tuned for that. But I had to show you guys what comes with it, how it looks, and all of that. Guys, this guy is so cute. First of all, it's actually pretty stylish for a vacuum, for a handheld vac. The other part of it is it's only 1.2 pounds, so it is not heavy at all. The reason why I got this is for my car, okay? But the great thing is that not only can you charge it in your car and use it in your car and keep it in your car for future use, you can also use this obviously at home too and charge it the same way because it comes with a USB cord, okay? So that you can literally charge this in your phone or at home, okay? So you've got this USB charger that comes with it. This is how it came, okay? And the cool thing that I really love about this vacuum, that's another added bonus to it, is the fact that we have this little encasement on the very front of it. So when you take it off, it exposes the front part of it, or the, you know, the little head over here where you're going to actually pick up the items that you vacuum, right? But the cool thing is because of that lid, if there's anything that might happen, just get stuck in there, at least it stays in here, if that makes sense. It kind of prevents this from any of the crumbs or any of that type of thing that you're vacuuming from coming out of it because it's got this covering on it, which I love. It also protects the insides of it also, you know what I mean, from liquid or any of that kind of thing. I've got kids and they're always in the car messing with things, so that's an added bonus to this too. The on-off switch is right here, okay? And so here's the front part, just so you guys can see that. All right, now the other portion of it that you get is this 2-in-1 Crevice Tool. So this allows you to be able to get into those nooks and crannies, not only in your car, but anywhere you use this, and really get down into your seats of your car or your sofas or any of that, because it has this little 2-in-1 device that you can use in two ways. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and put that piece right in here. Okay, and that allows you to really get into the nooks and crannies, right? To go ahead and vacuum your items up. The other cool thing is with this 2-in-1 device is you can literally pull that down. You'll press that little button that you see here, and you'll have the brush that's going to also help bring some of the debris up that you're vacuuming, in addition to the fact that it's narrower so it can get into those little nooks and crannies. And of course, if you want to go back to the original mode, you're going to go ahead and switch it right back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and really quickly show you guys a demo of this in action, okay? These are graham crackers, which is something that's in my car and in my sofa couches quite often, okay? So as I showed you guys earlier, we're gonna take off this lid right here, and then we're gonna press our on-off button, and we're gonna go ahead and pick these bad boys up. Let's see. Yes! And look, let's try this bigger piece of debris. Yes! Put all these in the bag. Clean it all right up. Getting every little last crumb too. I love it. This is amazing. And skadoosh. Okay, it is awesome. This is so cool. And then when you're done, obviously you'll want to empty the compartment if you want to empty it then. If not, you can go ahead and put your lid back on and you are good to go. So anyway, I hope this helps in making your decision.